Hi, I'm Crow and welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums and to this little video that I'm making to do a sound demo on this beautiful little deerskin shamanic drum. Now this is for sale on our Etsy shop, so this video is to accompany that listing, and it's to give you an idea of what the drum sounds like. Very difficult buying online, and this helps to be able to get a fuller picture of what it is you're actually looking at. And to meet me as well, I'm the guy that made the drums, so my energy went into it, so it all adds up. So it's a 12-inch diameter shamanic drum, as I say. It's a deerskin, and it's on a willow frame. On the inside there, I've burnt into the frame there the date of birth. Now that's to allow you to look at the astrological aspects of the drum and the energies that were around on that day. I've also put in there Driftwood Hollow Drums, just so that you've always got a record of where the drum originated from. The handle is, I'm not 100% sure what variety of wood that is. It is a foraged branch handle that I've used, and I've bound that with some leather for comfort. It's laced with artificial sinew, as you can see, and it's got quite a big wrap over as well, which is quite a pretty design. So yeah, I won't go on too much about the drum other than to play it now, so you can have a little listen. I'm going to play with a firm beater and a soft beater. Both give a slightly different sound texture. Now on a small drum, the 12-inch is about the smallest drum that I make. I find the firmer beater to be better, easier. With the soft beater, you have to strike the drum fairly hard to be able to get a tone out of it, because it's such a small diameter to allow the skin to vibrate. So anyway, I'll have a play, you have a listen, and you can make your own mind up which you prefer. So that's the firm beater, and then the softer beater. Okay, well, I hope this video has helped you making your decision. I'm Crow, it's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.